Hi, let's explore the versatile interfaces compatible with WAGO's lighting management system. We offer seamless integration with a range of industry standard protocols, from DALI to CareNex and Modbus to Enocean. Our system connects easily with diverse lighting fixtures and control devices. Whether it's touch panels, mobile apps or web-based interfaces, you have the flexibility to monitor and manage your lighting system from anywhere. Our intuitive interfaces empower users to customise lighting scenes, adjust brightness levels and create schedules with just a few taps. Plus, crucially, WAGO supports open standards, ensuring interoperability and future expandability. Whatever your project requirements, we have the interface solution to match. Ready to explore the possibilities of WAGO's lighting management interfaces? And contact us today to discuss how we can tailor a solution for your space.